Welcome.
We are so very excited to have all of you here for these 3 amazing days tackling the bio-revolution.
I'm going to go straight into the size of the problem.
Whatever you are planning to bring, it has to be transformational, innovative, and differentiated.
We are increasingly teaming up and adopting a role as a convener to try and bring the best research minds in the world together.
We have drugs that we are developing, clinical trials that we're running in more than 80 countries around the world.
How do we find these various different data assets that could be joined together to have a larger pool of data?
The convergence of authorities as well as recognizing inspections are essential.
And this thing played a huge role in the pandemic. We sent 200 of these to Wuhan.
Biosciences and biotechnology touches a larger plethora of global challenges.
I spend a lot of my time thinking about how we can produce the food that we need in the most environmentally sustainable way possible.
You can find all the answers in the nature.
It's not only about how sustainable technology is, but how profitable it is and how easy to implement.
Oligonucleotides, short RNA sequences, not mRNAs, but we're talking true oligonucleotides, 20, 25 building blocks long.
How quickly can you make a positive impact in the world, as opposed to necessarily how quickly can you raise capital and how much?
How do we make sure that molecular diagnostic can be delivered in an ultra-fast way?
The goal for the UK is that by 2034, half of all the interventions should be based on genomic data.
We want to save 50 times more CO2 emission through our products.
Turns out we can actually model not just the 3D structural proteins, but the dynamics and how they change and in due course how they interact and how they interact with molecules and so on.
I think the most important problem that can be solved by quantum computers, but not by classical computers, is molecular modeling.